Luxury, stylish design and comfort are a very important issue for me. For my job, I needed a stylish car to make life easier and more comfortable. Hashash VIP helped me a lot in this regard. I can feel safe and comfortable when I sit inside a car. The things that impressed me the most were the stylish and simple design, elaborate fine details, and specially designed ergonomic seats where I could relieve all tiredness of day. It's not possible not to be affected by a special color scale in order to change the ambience inside during the use. As well as daily lighting, different moods are created with 20 different color options. Don't leave anything to chance. Whatever it is, comfort, style, dynamics, the interior design of Hashash VIP will win your appreciation from the very first moment. Its impressive appearance, unique comfort, and pioneering technology will impress you and your environment.